Zine Caldwell. This is Green Man Skateboarding. You getting all zipped up?
Dude, I can't get it. That was the way it zipped up.
Yeah, I'll get you. I'll get you.
Help me out.
Skateboard. Hold my beer. There you go.
Identify this.
That is plastic.
No, the thing like
A tree?
this.
That?
Yeah, touch it.
That looks like vomit. Get the fuck out of here, Steve. Jesus, that is Alan Finwald's vomit.
You wouldn't vomit so much if you didn't eat plastic plants.
Right there.
Is this the B-board?
Yeah, it's a B-board. Green Man Skateboarding. Take one. You're good. You're good.
I really hope I don't fall or not.
Green Man, slow down. Ian, are you trying to go down the hill? You gotta stay in front of me though. Slow down. Alright, I'm gonna stay behind you. Just go. Don't go too fast though. Make it big loops.
Nice shot.
Go, dude! I'm about to fall into your ass.